The impact of technology on self-diagnosis and preventive medicine. Making an appointment with a doctor was once the sole option to acquire professional health guidance. Seriously. In the past, people had to rely on outdated medical dictionaries. That era, thankfully, has passed. Thanks to the proliferation of electronic media, the general public has easier access than ever before to a plethora of data that can aid in the early detection of health problems and the administration of appropriate treatment. Let's look at how self-diagnosis and other forms of preventative healthcare are evolving in the digital age, and how you may use these innovations to take charge of your health. Checklists for common symptoms that can be used for self-diagnosis are now available online. When you get out of bed, you notice a peculiar rash on your arm. You are concerned that it could be serious, but you don't have time to see a doctor. So, tell me, what do? You once might have consulted Drive. Google by looking up your symptoms online. Yet, more advanced diagnostic methods are available to assist you get the treatment you require. WebMD's Symptom Checker is a popular tool since it asks you questions about your condition and offers possible diagnosis based on your responses. WebMD has been available for a long time as a website, and now you can also use Alexa to browse WebMD, thereby transforming Amazon's smart assistant into Dr. Alexa. Launched in 2022, Amazon Clinic is an online healthcare service that seeks to make healthcare and prescription refills more accessible by eliminating the need for patients to schedule appointments or travel to a doctor's office. Amazon Clinic allows you to research and submit information on common health issues like rosacea, yeast infections, and seasonal allergies to a doctor for assessment and possible treatment. Google also offers a number of health-related products and services. DermAssist, its AI-powered dermatology tool, analyzes pictures of skin problems to provide diagnoses and treatments. While doing so, you can use Google's self-assessments to quickly and easily determine if you have any of a number of mental health disorders. Clinical validation indicates that these questions are comparable to those used by medical professionals to diagnose mental health conditions like post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and depression. It's crucial to keep in mind that these resources are not meant to replace expert medical advice, but rather to aid in the diagnosis of minor ailments and the provision of advice on self-care. These can cause a delay in diagnosis or unneeded anxiety in some circumstances. Nonetheless, for people curious about their symptoms and eager to take charge of their health, they might serve as a helpful jumping-off point. Wearable technology for disease prevention. People's perspectives on preventative care and self-diagnosis are shifting as a result of the proliferation of health monitoring apps powered by artificial intelligence. Real-time tracking and monitoring of health data allows for early detection and treatment of developing health disorders. Fitbit is one brand of fitness tracker that can be used to keep tabs on your steps taken, calories burned, and heart rate, among other things. If you keep a record of everything you do, you can see how close you are getting to your objectives. With an Apple Watch Series 4 or later, you may use the ECG feature, which monitors your heart rate, looks for anomalies, and alerts you if one is repeatedly detected. Developments in self-testing at home. The use of at-home diagnostic tools is gaining popularity. Your health status can be tracked with increasing precision. Diabetics use blood glucose meters to check their blood sugar levels multiple times a day. The Contour Next Easy Meter is only one example of the many home blood glucose monitors available today. With the wireless connectivity provided by some meters, you may even use your smartphone to do an in-depth analysis of your blood sugar levels. The Withings Scan, about the size of a hockey puck, is an analyzer for urine that will be on display at CES 2023. Diagnostic urinalysis is performed in medical facilities to detect and identify urinary tract infections by measuring specific chemical components in the patient's urine. The U-Scan can provide you advice on how to interpret test findings and how to improve your situation by connecting to the Withings app through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. In the event that you are deficient in a certain vitamin, for instance, it will suggest foods that will help you replenish those nutrients. Advantages and drawbacks of using your own body as a drug test. Using technology to oversee one's health has numerous advantages. To begin, you can keep tabs on your health with the use of at-home diagnostic tests and wearable devices. In addition to making you feel more in control of your healthcare and giving you a sense of agency, these diagnostic tools can save you money over going to the doctor or lab. However, there are risks to using the internet to find medical information, and doing diagnostic procedures in the comfort of one's own home can be difficult. There's the possibility of false positives and negatives, for starters, and they might not always be correct. These may not give you an accurate picture of your health like expert medical tests can, and the results may not be as detailed. The impact of health technologies on people's independence. Preventive medicine and self-diagnosis are undergoing a paradigm shift brought about by technological advancements. Technology is empowering individuals to monitor their health, with symptom checkers available online, wearable gadgets, at-home diagnostic testing tools, and more helping people catch issues early. Individuals can take charge of their health and, with the help of their healthcare professional, implement self-administered preventative medicine measures to increase their chances of living longer, healthier lives.